Health benefits of turmeric and curcumin with source. Benefits. Turmeric contains bioactive compounds with powerful medicinal properties. Curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. Turmeric dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body. Curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, linked to improved brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases. Curcumin should lower your risk of heart disease. Turmeric can help prevent, and perhaps even treat, cancer. Arthritis patients respond very well to curcumin supplements. Studies show that curcumin has incredible benefits against depression. Curcumin may help delay aging and fight age-related chronic diseases. Natural factors. CurcuminRich, Theracurmin review. Description. Dietary supplement. First absorbed form of curcumin. Healthy inflammatory response. Non-GMO. Mass spec. Documentation. Lab tested. Purity and potency guaranteed. When consumed orally, the absorption, bioavailability, of regular curcumin is quite poor. The reason is that curcumin is relatively insoluble in water and is rapidly transformed and excreted from the body. Poor absorption has been a reason why not all clinical studies have shown regular curcumin to be effective even when extremely large doses were given. But CurcuminRich contains Theracurmin, a natural preparation that utilizes advanced techniques to reduce the particle size of curcumin within a vegetable gum gummy, to dramatically increase its solubility and bioavailability. Detailed absorption studies have proven that Theracurmin is the best absorbed form of curcumin on the market. This improved absorption with Theracurmin is extremely important in getting the health benefits curcumin provides. Suggested use: 1 capsule up to 2 times per day or as directed by a health professional. Other ingredients: microcrystalline cellulose, vegetarian capsule, carbohydrate gum, cellulose, purified water, magnesium stearate, vegetable grade, silica. Manufactured by Natural Factors to ensure safety and potency in accordance with good manufacturing practices, GMP, of the FDA and Health Canada, contains no artificial colors, preservatives, or sweeteners. No dairy, starch, sugar, wheat, gluten, yeast, soy, egg, fish, shellfish, animal products, salt, tree nuts, or GMOs. Suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Warnings. Cautions. As with any supplement, consult your health professional before use if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or trying to conceive, or if you are taking medication, have a medical condition, or anticipate a surgery. Keep out of the reach of children. Sealed for your protection. Do not use if seal is broken. For freshness, store in a cool, dry place. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.